All right, so welcome to the important information for the week of February 1st. Starting with our weekly review, I'm going to watch the week 5 review video. It's about 9 minutes. It is a review of solving systems of equations, linear equations, by graphing and substitution. It uses page 6 in your notebook, and then your week 5 review assignment is a little bit different. You're going to go to page 9 in your booklet. You're going to complete page 9, and then you are going to make a PDF of that and upload that file. And there is more information in that week 5 review assignment. But if you have questions with making a PDF and uploading, just Canvas message me and I can help you out with that. Once again, assigned on a Monday, due on a Monday, so February 8th at 9 a.m. All right, let's look at the new stuff for this week. So you will need your algebra notebook for this because it's graphing, and so there'll be coordinate planes in there. Depending if you are a visual person, you may even want to use colored pencils with this. You'll be able to see how that shading and whatnot might stand out to you a little better. Our objective is to be able to solve a system of linear inequalities, and so that's a little bit different than equations. And so we're going to be looking at those inequalities, and we're going to be doing that by graphing. And there are 4 parts to the notes, and these are the time limits for each one of those. So you can take them all at once or a little bit at a time, however you would like to. As far as our formative assessments for the week, we have 2 formative assessments that deal with this lesson. Remember that those are allowed multiple attempts. So after you go through the videos and you practice the problems that are in the videos, then you should try these formative assessments. And if we're struggling with those, that's when you come to a Zoom meeting and ask some questions. Okay, keep in mind that they are February 8th also at 9 a.m. So just keeping everything consistent. After you've been through the videos and you've done the formative assessments, you've maybe come to a Zoom session or 2, that it's time to take your summative assessment. Remember that that is only 1 attempt because that's your test. And that is due February 8th at 9 a.m. also. And then as far as our keeping it pretty standard, we have our Zoom sessions in here. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday this week, each one of those at noon. But keep in mind that you can always Canvas message me if you've got questions in between that. All right, thanks and have a great day.